Arm yourself for survival. Survival is not just about physical strength, it's about preparation, adaptability, and knowledge. Whether facing natural disasters, economic collapse, or unexpected emergencies, being well-equipped can make all the difference. To arm yourself for survival, start with the basics: food, water, shelter, and self-defense. Stockpiling non-perishable food and ensuring access to clean drinking water are crucial. A well-thought-out bug-out bag containing first aid supplies, fire-starting tools, multi-purpose knives, and survival blankets can be life-saving in an emergency. Self-defense is another key aspect. In uncertain situations, personal safety can be at risk. Depending on laws and personal preference, carrying a firearm, knife, or even pepper spray can help deter threats. However, weapons alone are not enough. Training in self-defense techniques and situational awareness is equally important. Knowledge and skills are as valuable as physical tools. Learn essential survival techniques like purifying water, building shelters, and navigating without technology. Medical skills, such as CPR and wound treatment, can mean the difference between life and death. Mental resilience is just as crucial. Staying calm under pressure ensures better decision-making. Additionally, communication is vital in survival scenarios. Having a backup plan, such as emergency radios or satellite phones, can keep you connected when regular communication networks fail. Ultimately, survival is about being prepared for the unexpected. By equipping yourself with the right tools, knowledge, and mindset, you increase your chances of enduring any crisis. Don't wait until disaster strikes. Arm yourself for survival today.